Guys, this is sleeper class in this train. I regret taking this train.
Hello.
Hi. So guys, I came to 3AC class and I met these lovely people. Hi. Do you have anything to say?
My name Gurdeep Singh.
My name is Nirval Pannu. My name is Juraud Singh. Hello.
Guys, right now I am in 3AC class, though I booked sleeper class. So the first time when I entered in the train, I went to the seat that it wasn't mine, and that place, it was terrible. It was smelling the toilet sinks where you brush teeth. They were so dirty. You know the things that they used to put in the mouth? That's the thing. That sink was full of those, like that red thing. I was, oh my god, what is this, Irene? What? Like, I was asking myself many questions. Then I went to the seat. My seat was 59 cent. I went there. Then I was like, no, I can't do this. I can't stay in this train, in this sleeper class anymore. And here I am. I'm filming this video while I am in 3AC, and I don't know when they are coming to check. And guys, I met. I was here with some guys. We were making stories and. Found out we will arrive at 6. This train don't take sleeper class, because sleeper class, it's annoying. Actually, this train has 3AC and sleeper class. 3AC, it's somehow okay, at least it's not smelly, but it's dirty. The sleeper class, actually there, it's smelly, it's dirty, and it's crowded. Like, I've been to sleeper class, but nah, not this type of sleeper class. The sleeper class that I was coming from Delhi to Kolkata, Horwa. I was in sleeper class and it was clean. So I actually found out that this train, sleeper class, other people from general class, they can also come inside. Like those who don't have reservation tickets, they can also enter in sleeper class. So with that, it makes it to be messy like that. So guys, this is the situation right now. So right now they are collecting bed sheets and pillows for cleaning when we will reach in Amritsar. So I don't know about this train 3AC. So guys, I'm still in 3AC right now, and the person who checked just passed. I was covering myself with this, so I think the person didn't notice. Yeah, now I'm going to sleep because I'm so tired, and the AC here is Guys, I have arrived in Amritsar railway station, and when I was inside the train, they told me that I should go down, and they are free buses that they take people to the Golden Temple. So right now I'm heading to the exit side, and I'm going to look for the free bus to the Golden Temple. Guys, I'm outside and I'm not seeing any bus, so let me ask around. Bhaiya, excuse me. Golden Temple free bus.
Free bus, Golden Temple.
Yes.
1 minute walking,
1
1
minute.
minute yellow color, 1 minute
Yellow
walking.
book.
Come back here.
Okay. So the guy told me I should walk this side. That's where the free bus are. So let's go. And he told me that the bus color is yellow color. Let's go. If I will go and meet people who they are also waiting for the bus. Here is the place where you get Golden Temple bus service, and this is the free bus. It has just arrived, which is headed to the Golden Temple. So let's go. So guys, I'm out of the bus. I have arrived at the. I have arrived. That one is too much. I have arrived here at the Golden Temple, but I don't know where the Golden Temple is. So they told me to go to this side and ask. So I saw that in Golden Temple there is free accommodation, and I'm going there to ask for the free accommodation because why would I want to pay? But the place is nice. Let me show you guys. Wow. Namaste. Hi. Wow, it's so nice. Hi. Wow. Wow. Oh, what's Oh, guys, it's so nice. Wow.